Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Angie Lemus, and today we are here to fill it out an application for a visa, tourist visa, and we're gonna fill it out the form DS-160, okay? So, and this is the website to apply in Costa Rica, okay? So, let's check around and see what we have. So, no immigrant visa information. So, this is the whole information we need to have on our hands to be allowed to fill it out an application, okay, guys? So, you gotta review everything, and we gotta pay a fee for an application, and let's see how much is a fee for an application for DS-160. Okay, so DS-160, we got it right here, and it is at $160, okay, for the form DS-160. Okay, so let's go back and find an application, find the form. Okay, let's see, what is it? I'm gonna guide you guys step by step, and that's gonna be the information overview for the DS-160 or 160 or 160, whatever you wanna call, and that's gonna be the guidelines for the form. Okay, let's find out. Click over here. Okay, and now we're gonna start filling out an application. Let's see. Remember guys, we have to have the little guide, Acrobat. Okay, Adobe Acrobat, and here is the form line. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do is find the language. So it's in English. And next step, we gotta find our home country where we born, where we were born. Okay, so my home country is gonna be Costa Rica. So Chile, Congo, right here, Costa Rica. You see, guys? All right, and then we are gonna click and the code which is showing in here, and we gotta write down. We can listen.
CWKWH.
All right, now we gotta clean that one. Okay, and let's start. You say CWKWH. All right, all we have to do is type it. We click enter. Okay, and then we're gonna start filling out the form. Oh man, you tell me some of those. Let's see what happened. Okay, we got it right here. Okay, and then we gotta start the application. Oh, something wrong in here. Okay, let's enter the code again and delete that one. Okay, and let's see, EJYTAW. Okay, and then we're gonna start an application. Okay, so let's change the language, because it has to be in English, except for our names. Our names has to be in Spanish if we are Spanish. Okay, and guys, remember to save this number right here. Okay, follow me with the click. right here. We gotta say this number, and we gotta write it down on a piece of paper. Okay. It say A009TMUG3. Okay. This is the number for our application. Okay. So we gotta agree with the terms. The term is gonna be right here. All right, and let's keep going. Okay, scroll down, scroll down. So we gotta pick one of these questions. Okay, so what is the given name of your mother? Mother. It means what is the name of your grandma? So let's do Maria. Okay. And then click over here, continue, click, okay, and that's gonna be the personal information that we're gonna need. As you can see our number over here, that's gonna be application ID. If you don't finish the application in 90 minutes, you can go back, but every time you fill it out one section, you gotta save it, okay? So this is the started. So you gotta do your last name over here. So my last name is gonna be Suarez Lemus. All right, Suarez Lemus. Okay, and then see Suarez. Yeah, I have it on my computer saved. That's why it show me all the time like that. And then my last name is gonna be Lemus, and my full name is gonna be Angela. Okay. Okay. And then he says, have you ever used another names? It's like a nickname, you know, like Angela, like Angie. So I never have, so I'm gonna click no. Okay. And then we gotta keep going, scroll down. And then it said, do you have a telecode that represents your name? No, I don't have, so I do no. Okay. Remember, guys, when you got your interview, whatever information you put in here, you're gonna be questioned about it. So make sure you be honest and know all your information. So, and then he's gonna ask you marital status. So, is you divorced? Is you single? Let's see, single. Okay. So, and then there's gonna be the day of your birth. You can pick out the day of your birth over here. It's gonna ask you for the month. You can pick out your month, and then it's gonna ask for the year. You can pick out 1981, blah blah blah, and then the city you born. Let's see, you born in Houston. No, you cannot pick up none of these countries, you know, because I'm in the United States. So you say Nicaragua, for example. No, you say Costa Rica because remember you apply in Costa Rica. So Costa Rica. Okay. And the province is gonna be San Jose, remember? San Jose. So everything is on the internet right now, so you don't have to work any harder to find any information. Country, religion, select. See, we are in Costa Rica. So let's scroll down and find a country. Costa Rica, right here. You see? Costa Rica. Let's see. Okay, cool. I just want to make sure I record in the right way. That way you guys can understand me. Okay. Costa Rica. Okay, I just got to fix the camera. It's giving me a little trouble. So, okay, perfect. So Costa Rica, you see a Costa Rica right here? Yes, we do click, okay, and we're gonna scroll down, okay, and you can do next. So here's gonna showing whatever you missing, whatever is wrong, okay. So like I said, I'm not gonna fill it out the whole application. What am I doing right here is oh, that's why it doesn't let me keep going. You see, you cannot miss any information. If you're missing, the system computer is gonna correct you. So you male or female? I'm female, okay. That was what I'm missing, okay. And you can save it in here. Click save if you don't finish it in 90 minutes. Okay, let's do next. See? So in here we go with this part, second part, personal information. Do you, okay, let's see. Country and religion. Country, religion, origin, nationality. So this is asking you where are you from. Costa Rica, right? So let's find Costa Rica. That's the country you born, okay? So Costa Rica. Do you hold or have you held any nationality other than one indicated? Is you, for example, born in Nicaragua and you became a Costa Rican citizen? Yes, you say yes, right? If it is no, you say no, okay? I'm gonna say yes. Okay. Costa Rica, Costa Rica. So I'm nationality, I'm Costa Rican citizen, but if you're not citizen from anywhere else, you gotta keep up with your country where you were born, okay, guys? Don't get confused, please. So I'm not gonna finish it all because I'm not applying for a visa. So this is a little tutorial that you guys can understand what is the step you have to file for the form for the non-immigrant visa, okay? So that's gonna be your travel information. So I cannot keep up with the travel information until I fill it out the whole application. But like I say, I'm not filling an application. So this is a little tutorial for you guys to understand. So this is gonna be the travel information. If you have been traveled somewhere else, I can say Ukraine or Australia or any other country in Central America, China or Panama City, blah blah blah, you know, something like that. So travel companions. So this is who is gonna traveling with you, okay? It's your mom, your husband, blah blah blah, your children, blah blah blah, right? Something like that. Previous U.S. travel. Have you ever traveled to the United States? No, you're gonna say no because you've never been here, right? So if you have been here, well, you have to say yes. Address and phone number. So this is gonna be the address where you're gonna stay in the United States, and your family information or your own information. A passport, that's gonna be the number of your passport expiration date, and all the information you got in your passport. And this is gonna be U.S. contact. If you have a sister, you have a brother, if your mom is here, blah blah blah, whoever is in the United States, a friend, blah blah blah. A family information. If you have a family in the United States, it's gonna be the name, all information, work and education, training. This is gonna be your professional or you have any technician, so whatever your professional is. And security and background. So here's gonna be like you know, is you have background like you criminal history, right? Or you have been involved in an accident, you have been involved in a crime, uh, all this. So you're gonna need you record police, all these items, all those documents to be allowed to fill it out on an application. Okay, guys, and see, it's gonna be keep going until all those blue lines gone, so you finish. Whenever you print your application, make sure you print the barcode. This is very important. And once you fill it out, this application, and you send it to the U.S. Embassy in whatever country you are applying, it's gonna be sent right away to the embassy. Okay, you gotta be ready with the money, with the documentation, and ready to travel to the United States. Get it ready for the interview, getting ready for the payment for the bank. It's gonna be $160. So remember, you have to have your passport, you have to have your birth certificate. You guys can watch my other videos on my channel, Angie Lemons, and that's gonna guide you a little bit better. But this is all for today, guys. If you have any questions, please leave your comment below. And thank you so much for watching, guys. And don't forget to vote for Donald Trump, because he's a good guy, smart guy. He knows what he's doing. He's our best choices. And thank you so much, guys, again. And hug for everybody, and kisses, and love you guys. Thank you so much for subscribe to my channel, for your views and everything. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. Have a great day. Thank you.